the people who surrounded Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they were these amazing personalities. They were such amazing personalities that actually Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Quran has vouched for their greatness. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in one place said that Ulaika humul mu'minuna haqqa, that these are the people who are truly the believers. Lahum darajatun inda rabbihim, they have high status in front of their Rabb. Wa maghfiratun wa rizqun kareem, and for them there is maghfirah and the blessed earnings. And another place Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said Ulaika humus sadiqun, that these are the honest, truthful people, right? So, and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam in different places has vouched for the greatness of these people. He said, khairu ummatil kurnul lazina yaluni, that the best of the people in my ummat are the ones who are from my generation, summa lazina yalunahum, and the ones who are after them, summa lazina yalunahum, and the ones best after them. So there are three generations about whose greatness, honesty, dignity, uprightness Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has taken a vouch for himself, in the same order that the best among them would be the first generation, whom we call Sahaba Ikram, the second generation, whom we call Tabi, and the third generation, whom we call Taba Tabi, right? So these are the people Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has vouched from, right? In another place Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that La tasubbu ashabi, la tasubbu ashabi, fawallazina nafsi biyadihi, law anna ahadakum anfaqa misla ahadin zahaban man adraka mudda ahadihim wala nasfihi. That Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that my ashab, do not say anything to them, because if anyone is to bring gold equal to the Mount Uhud, they would still not be, equal in even half a fist of what the iman or the amal that these Sahaba have done. So this is, so Rasulullah very strictly forbade anything being said bad to Sahaba Ikram radhiyallahu ta'ala ajma'in. These are these people with who played a pivotal role in bringing us the deen that we have today. A lot of people, they blindly believe, or at least a lot of Muslims, they blindly believe that Quran is the all ultimate source of truth. However, they have a doubt in Hadith, and they have a doubt in other formation of other jurisprudence of our deen. But the question to such individuals is that how did Quran actually come to us? Quran didn't get passed on to us through revelation onto ourselves. The Quran, as we know and as we are so sure of, is passed on to us because there have always been enough number of people in every generation who have conveyed the same message downwards that it would be hard for us to believe that such people would be altogether lying, right? So this is what is called tawatur, that Quran has reached to us through tawatur, that in every generation there have been enough number of people who have given the same information, who have passed on the same Quran from one on to the other, and that has meant that this is what Quran is always like this. So the rest of the deen has reached to us in a similar manner. There are exceptions to certain things which are not that well, that equally well numbered in terms of number of people in the same generation conveying that message, but there is classification for that. The most important individuals in that transmission of Quran or deen down to us are Sahaba Ikram radhiyallahu ta'ala ajma'in themselves. They are extremely important personalities. If somebody starts insinuating things towards them which would sow the seeds of doubt, that means that we are shaking the entire foundation of our deen. So if somebody starts saying that, oh, so and so Sahabi was like this, that means that you are doubting the very individuals from whom the Quran or the deen has come down to us, be it Quran or Hadith. And if you start doing that, you are shaking the entire foundation of religion itself.